Hey everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how to create templates in Trello. So let's get started. On your board page, click on the Create option in the top panel and then choose Create Board. Next, pick a background that matches your style. Give your board a name. Set the visibility the way you want, either private or public, and then click Create. After the board is created, you can begin adding lists and cards in any way you like. Arrange everything exactly how you want your template to look. To convert this board into a template, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Make Template. This helps you reuse the same setup later. When asked, click Make Template again. Now add a short description for your template, explaining what it is used for or how to use it. Finally, click Save. That's it. Your Trello template is now ready to use.